How to enable ultra wide lens or landscape view on your Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can use ultra wide camera or landscape view on your Snapchat. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's begin. First step, open up your Snapchat. Locate your Snapchat app and then open it up. After you're on your Snapchat, you might find your ultra wide view camera on your Snapchat homepage. If you don't find it, and if you don't have an ultra wide camera lens on your device itself, what you can do is you can always use a filter. So to use a filter, you can simply swipe up. After you swipe up, you'll find the list of filters. From the list of filters, you can tap on the search bar on the top right. Then search for ultra wide. After you search for ultra wide, you'll find the 0.5x ultra wide camera angle. Tap on that and you should be able to use your camera for it. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.